Hi guys, welcome back. So just another unboxing for the evening. Also I don't know which one this one is. Wow, another one that's really quick. Well, I must just be very slack in my printing and getting, yeah, what can I say? They were just in the normal envelope bags. Oh, the clip got stuck. Let's check it. Oh, look at that. We've got a little round one. Look at that. A round waxy, and it says peel off. That's pretty cool, especially if it's a new starter in diamond painting. I know a lot of the ladies kind of struggled. They weren't aware that they actually needed to peel this off. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so this one, it's a little owl. Okay, we'll go back to that later. Again, so this one I ordered on the 17th as well, and I got that on the 28th. Right, so it's got a plastic sheet over it. You know, almost like the plastic that the bags are in. You know, it's got that same sticky sealant that we have for our bags. So mindful for the noise. I just want to get it off this foam roller so it can at least not be so creased. Ooh. Right, okay. Okay, so this is a 30 by 30 owl. I paid $15.52. What store did I get this from? The GOANG factory store. I don't know if this is true. 30 by 30. I'll have to see. Right. Symbols look very clear. It's a square. Ooh. Yeah, it's getting quite damaged from that crease. But we'll flatten that out as we stick it back. Hopefully that will. It's definitely going to need an iron. Okay, so this one actually has the halfway markers in them. So it must be from a cross stitch. I see that there's a little plastic gooey on there. Paper gooey. Let me just see if I can pull that off without too much effort. I don't want it to get settled into my canvas. Okay, that's okay. Still a bit of residue there, but it's fine. Okay, so stick that down. Sorry guys, I just want to get a flat surface because I've got a diamond painting underneath here, so it's quite. Okay, I don't know whether that made any kind of difference. Yeah, it looks better. Alright, so let's just unpeel this little guy, well, little girl, because she's very pink and she's got this whole bow tie scarf thing going. Makes me think of the 80s. Ladies used to wear these very fluffy, well not fluffy, but they used to make ties out of this, bow ties out of their scarves. There's a whole poofy thing going on. Okay, so let's just measure this. The canvas looks, the draw feel looks really good. Quite happy with that. So let's just do that. Because there's quite a bit of overhang. Yeah, I didn't think so. That's 28, which is, yeah, in the greater scheme of things. For the price though, it is a bit steep for that size, but I did want to try the store. yeah, so it's about 28 by 28. As a rule, I wouldn't normally pay that. I would hunt a bit more for a lower price for something this size. Not necessarily 28 by 28, but for a 30 by 30. So let me just note that down, that this is not a true 30 by 30. I'm slack with my updates. I need to get onto that. Burley owl. It's probably called something else. I'll have to check what I decided on calling it. True 28 by 28 received the 28th of June. Okay, cool. So, funny enough, I did not get tweezers with this, but it's, I've got tweezers. I don't need tweezers. Okay, we're gonna hear some crackling. Right, guys, all here. So, lots of extras. So if you look at 209, it says we need 3.9 bags, so they gave us 4, which kind of makes sense. But then you have the 413, which should have 0.97 bags, and they gave us 2. And the same with 498, they say we should have 0.77, and they gave 2 as well. I have to admit, I feel a lot better with those kind of numbers, because these bags, they feel very flimsy to me. Ooh, I can finally do a video with oily drills and what I do with them, because I see I got some oily drills. So that's not a big deal for me because of the way that I get rid of it. It's just quick and easy while I'm busy doing it. Yeah, so at the moment it looks like only the one, but you can see here, let's see, you can see in that bag there, it looks like the sealant isn't that good. So I'm happy that you have extra, or so much extra, to kind of cover you. And then for those 666 lovers of the bright red, I think I found my favorite red, which is 498. Just look at that beautiful red, guys. I don't know, trying to doesn't glare that much. I hope you can see. It's a really nice color. I think that for today at least, that's my favorite color. Okay, guys, again, I will put all the details in the description. It's the GOANG factory store. It's a 30 by 30. I'm pretty sure that I ordered around, let's have a look. Sorry, let me just see. Full, okay, full. We know it's a full. Oh, it says square. Oh, I must have not paid attention, or oh, it says rolled up. I don't know whether I did a word association and didn't pay attention to what I was reading. Could be. So they have, I'll just actually show you guys, because they have 4 different ones on the site, and I kind of like the little girl just to give it a go and see how they are. I might get the little boy with the bow tie, that one as well. I'll see how I go. Okay, guys, again, thank you very much for checking in. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. As you'll see, if you go through my videos, I do quite a bit of different things. I'm hoping with my happy planner that I'll be able to do a better or schedule things a bit better, so that I can get those videos out to you and share my thoughts and my opinions with you guys, and again also my joy of crafting, because yeah, I love crafting. It's kind of my meditation, so to speak, and I would just really love to share that with you guys. Alright then, take care, bye.